Welcome to the preview of my Blue Iris watercolour tutorial. Irises are one of my favourite flowers to paint because, along with the very subtle use of tonal value to create the light papery feeling of the petals, there is also a lot of interesting detail to add, such as the veins, which are a lot of fun to paint, and also the central stamen and beard of the iris. I always start with the base colours, building them up using my paint to create the folds and the flowing movement within the petals. And then I start to add in the fine detail. I add the veining onto a slightly damp surface, as this helps the veins to settle into the background, and it also helps to create the natural frayed edge of them, as the paint naturally dissipates at its edges on the damp paper. So you get a really good effect by doing it this way. The centre of the iris also has a lot going on, and we find many different hints and variations of colour. Here we can learn to use the colours of our palette to create very deep dark colours and varying hues that will add contrast to the underneath of the petals and also the inner central area, and this will really bring the flower to life. It's the contrast in colour and tone on your painting that creates the depth and stops your image from looking flat. And then I continue layering up and adding in detail all over the flower, allowing the underneath layers to dry first and then continually building on top of them until I've achieved the depth of colour and amount of detail that I want on my painting. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick preview. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more upcoming tips and technique videos. And there's a full tutorial of this blue iris inside the Watercolor Members Club. To learn more, just click on the link below. And there's also a link for a free Peony tutorial if you'd like to give this style of painting a go first. I hope you found this video inspiring and it motivates you to get your brushes out and get creative. Thanks for watching. See you next time.